Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in 1xBet Nepal. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. To achieve this, it's quite simple. First, go to your menu, then go to the option deposit. Once in the option deposit, you are going to choose any recommended method or any mobile payment method in Nepal to deposit your money. For example, you can take in my country, for example, you can choose Orange Money because I'm not in Nepal. But if you're in Nepal, you're going to see different types of payments adequate for Nepal. And that was all for this video.